Good afternoon, magandang hapon, and welcome to today's episode of My PI Dream. Boy, we have a great episode lined up for you today. If you are one that enjoys a good, feel-good story, we have that for you today, which is pretty much every single day in the Philippines because of the culture, because of the people here. So today, we're actually giving back to Mother Nature. We're giving back to the earth. We have a great program today that has to do with replanting for the environment. So please join me today along with the 3rd Air Force Reserve Unit and Rotary Club Lipa South and several other Rotary clubs in the local area in Lipa City. So let's go ahead and get today's episode started. Now without further delay, let's get today's video underway.
Dapat may sayaw eh.
Lagi naman, bilang na naman kami always welcome.
May we request po yung head ng organization to proceed na po dito.
Nagpapaba pa. Congressman yan. Congressman Rosa mo.
Thank you.
Ano kaya yun?
The celebration of its 29th founding anniversary with the theme Third Arts and at 29 continuous pursuit of excellence in improving the service capabilities responsive to national security.
Just get one. Just get one or two.
That's why.
Picture.
Please now. Please now.
Thank you po.
you po.
Dito. Dito po yung lagyan egg.
Oh, ang itlog daw sa taas daw, ang itlog.
Ako, dito po yung naman.
Sobrang aga mag-isip. One, two, three. Okay. Hello kay James pa. Hi, James. Hey. Hi, Thank you, Third Narcel.
Welcome to President Alex. Wait.
Ay, isa pa! Kumukuha ko ng card.
Just wait. Bawal ang tatlo. Five.
Mga kailangan ibang club dyan.
Parami.
Okay.
Pinukaka ko nga yung uniform ko. Mapasit ako dito. Malapit ka na talaga mapasit. Everybody come here. There's 31st, third Air Force Week Reserve. 32nd. 30 seconds. Ano kayo? 30 seconds. Wait. Dali. Hurry up.
Upo na lang po sa harap ang iba.
Third.
Thank you for your service.
Dog sign.
1,
Okay.
2, 3. 1,
Dog sign po ganito.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Now, I hope you enjoyed today's episode as much as I enjoyed putting this collage of activities that we did today for Mother Nature. And I want to thank the people at the 3rd Reserve Air Force Unit. I want to thank all the Rotary units that got involved with this today. This is actually an annual thing that is done every year. And this was one of my favorite activities right here because, you know, I enjoy nature so much. And that's what's a cool thing about being retired in the Philippines. Not just the people, but also the environment around here. Green, lots of lush vegetation. So anyway, I'm going to close for now. Again, I hope you got that sense of feeling of the positive energy that you get when you are with a dedicated group of people. Service before self, that's what Rotary is all about. Now next week, I have a really special video that we're going to be putting together. I don't want to give away any secrets right now, but be prepared for a great video, the very next one that we do here on our channel, My PI Dream. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, please share, and if you have not subscribed, just click on the little My PI Dream heart. And the bottom right hand side of your screen, you'll be subscribed, and if you ring that bell, you'll be notified the next time I upload a new video. So until such time, from right here in the very beautiful and caring Philippines, you have a blessed and wonderful day. If you enjoyed today's episode and you would like to see more just like these, just click on one of the helpful links over to your right and you might be able to pick up on some good information on DIY projects, how to, or if you are interested in moving to the Philippines and building, you'll find answers there as well.